How to fix login error in Five Guys. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues while logging in. However, if there are any other kinds of login errors, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Five Guys application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on Five Guys, click on Offload App, and click on Offload App again. After that, you want to reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be having any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problems after this, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.